Hi everyone, what is going on? My name is Jamie Palmer. This is the Binary Destroyer and welcome to another episode of... Anyway, this is my brand new trading room. This is my brand new setup and we're in my brand new house. Now, I plan to give you a guided tour of my house and my room, but everything is still in boxes. The last 2 weeks have just been crazy with painting, new deliveries of sofas and everything like that. It's just been chaos. But yeah, this is my brand new setup, my brand new room. Now, I've actually got a lock on this door. The only time I come out of this room is when I'm either eating or sleeping. The rest of the time I am working towards my goals and working towards my dreams. I'm going to be bringing you more exclusive content, more training videos, more of me live trading, and also I'm going to be setting up a new YouTube channel devoted purely to the stuff behind trading. Now, I know there's loads of YouTube videos and loads of YouTube channels on people promoting their indicators or their EAs or their training, but what you don't see is the stuff behind it, what it actually takes to be a trader. You know, the wins, the losses, the emotions, how to compound your account, how to set yourself achievable targets each month and then actually hitting it, and also a good one, that kind of change from demo to live and tips and tricks on how to do that. So I'm going to be using this YouTube channel for doing live trading for you, and I'll use my other channel to kind of document my life and show you the good and bad things of trading. So yes, my brand new setup behind me. The good thing about having a setup like this is I can have my my broker platform on one screen and obviously MT4, the Binary Destroyer 6.0 on the other charts. So yeah, I'm not going to stop waffling. Let's go straight into it. And today we are going to be trading the AND strategy on the 1 minute time frame, and we're going to be trading binary options. So let's go. Hi everyone, so in today's trading session I'm going to be trading the AND strategy on the 1 minute time frame. Now, I have said I'm going to be doing more trading on the bend strategy, the pullback strategy and the normal strategy, but I thought just for the purpose of this we'll do some quick in and out binary trading using the AND strategy. I find it's a very simple and easy strategy to master, the AND strategy, because it's pretty much one rule, and that is wait for an arrow to appear outside of the zone, which I believe has just happened now on GPUSD. Now, for me personally, when I trade this strategy, I like to look at other factors as well, mainly support and resistance, price action, diversions, candlestick patterns. So for me, I like to look at the overall picture when I'm trading, and I believe it's GPU. It's just, oh no, it didn't give me a signal. This is one of the bonuses of having a multi-screen setup. You can't see this because you're only seeing one screen, but I've got other charts loaded up on other screens. So I'm just gonna have a look. Okay, this is actually a nice trade with the trend. Interesting. Look at this nice nice trend line happening here. Look at this. Look at that. That would have been, if we got a signal here, that would have been a nice trade to get into. So let me just go back to the bigger picture. I'm gonna have a look at all of my charts, and like I said, this is live. I'm not hiding anything for you. I'm going to turn all my pullback mode buttons on so I can actually see what's going on. And when I'm trading like this, what I'm doing is I'm looking for currency pairs that are in the zone. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So when I see like for instance GPUSD, you see here the price is in the zone, so I'm watching currency pairs like this as well. Look at EUR/USD. EUR/USD is also in the same zone. Look at this perfect double bottom here. Look at that. Look at that for a signal. This is a perfect double bottom. Look, I'll just let me change the color and I'll show you exactly this. Look, watch this. Look, trend down, pullback, trend down, double bottom, diversions on the RSI, trends up, pulls back, trends up, and now it looks like we're heading down. But look at that, perfect textbook. This is a reversal move here. Look at this. Look at this big reversal move. That's it's good to show you that. At the minute though, nothing is really giving me any signals. I might get a signal on GPUSD. I'll be interested. Oh, I am getting a signal. I am getting a signal on GPUSD. It's giving me a signal. Okay. Now I'm just going to quickly load up the stochastic. So I'm going to see what that's saying. And I'm going to bring up my GPUSD. Okay, I might do a quick 5-minute trade here against the trend. I'm going to go for 50 quid. I'm going to see what happens here. You can see here, you can see my candle counter here. When this candle, when this timer goes down to 0, it's when the next candle is. So I might get a quick in and out 5-minute trade on here. And let me just wait to get into a trade, and I'll explain to you why. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, I am in. Okay, I'm in. 5-minute trade. Let's go. Now, let me have a look at the bigger picture here. Okay, we're at a resistance. Right, we're at a support actually. Let me just draw this in here. Look at, I've done that wrong. What am I doing? See this support area. If you zoom out, okay. In fact, let me take this over to the 5-minute chart so you might be able to see the support line a little bit easier. Okay, can you see the support line here? Can you see this now? See this? We've got a number of bounces. We've got one here. We've got one here. We've got one here, here, and here. Okay, so we've got an active support area here. This was an extremely risky trade. I would say that this is a risky trade, and that's why I got into a 5-minute trade. But it just looks like it's going into the money. Yes, it is. We'll see what happens now. There we go. We are rising. So we are rejecting off this support line. You see this support here? I got this trade perfectly at this support line. Look at that. Let me just bring this down here. Okay, we're now going up. Look at this support line. Look, perfectly. Bounce, bounce, and then nice, nice, nice. So this should be our first trade, and it should be our first winner. So yeah, as you can see, it's gone nicely into the money, and that will start my today's trading session off, which is not bad. I mean, this video has been going for 5 minutes now. Haven't paused anything. So within 5 minutes of my trading session, we are having a winner. So I'm happy with that one. But like I said, this is a risky trade. I wouldn't be surprised now if the price comes back down now. We'll see what happens. Yeah, you see, we are pushing down now. You see, this is a downtrend, all right? But we have got an active support area here. What's the diversion saying on the RSI? Okay, we haven't got any. And that is why we've just dipped out the money. So hopefully this, with 2 minutes to go, let's see what happens. I'll have a look at any more setups. No, we haven't got any more setups really. Okay, USD CAD's dropping. USD CAD's been shooting up and it's now dropping here. Okay, now we're going back up into the money. Let's hopefully, all right, we're back up. There's nothing really else. In fact, Euro USD is, no, I don't like Euro USD. Okay, we're going back into the money. Look at that. GP USD. We are fighting. Look at this. Bulls and bears. Look. Big engulfing red candle, funny looking hammer doji, green engulfing, red engulfing, and it looks like we've got 1 minute to go. Right, so let's see what happens. This should, oh yeah, we are pushing up. There we go. Look at that big, look, 3 engulfing candles. Big green engulfing, big red engulfing, and now a big green engulfing candle again. So this support line is being held. In fact, let me just have a look on the 1 hour, see what it's saying then. Okay, so we have got a bit of support on the 1 hour as well. Not the best, but you can see here, like you see the rejections here. Okay, first trade in, and it looks like it's going to be a winner. I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set everything like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Yep, 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 yep. Right, so there we go. 3, 2, 1, good, and we are good to go. Right, so what I'm going to do, everyone, is I'm going to pause the video now. I'm going to come back in, well, I'm going to come back when I get another signal, and hopefully we get another trade. I can take the trade and explain to you why I got into it, and hopefully it will be another winner. So I shall be back. Hi, so it's only been about 10 minutes now, but look at GPUSD. Look at that climb now. Look at that, nice. If you got into a 5, 10 or 15 minute trade here, that would have been a nice winner. But it was a risky trade. I wasn't particularly happy with it because it was against the trend, and that's why I took a 5-minute trade. There's nothing really. USD Chef, I like. USD Chef is showing massive diversions on. Look at USD Chef here. In fact, let me look on the higher time frame. Interesting trade. You might be able to, I might be able to quickly get away with shorting this. In fact, I might just short this pair quickly. We are rejecting. Look at that rejection there. No, I can't take a trade here. It's a bit risky. No, I'm not. What I'm going to do, everyone, is I'm going to pause the video and I'll be back when I get another valid setup. So I'll be back. Alright, everyone, I've just rushed to do this, but I've just got a signal on CAD JPY. Let me just. Yes, yeah, we're pushing up, I'm getting up. Oh, I just missed my entry. Alright, I'm going up again. There we go. This is. I'm waiting for the price to push down a bit, and I'm going to get in again. Okay, again, this is my trading session today is a very risky setup. Oh no, we just pushed down. Okay, yeah, this was a very risky trade. Extremely risky. I've got a trade on, in fact, all currency pairs are trending down now. In fact, GPUSD, that original trade that we took, you see this trade that we took originally is now crashing down, which I had an idea it would. NZUSD, I don't like, in fact, hold on, let me look at NZUSD. Okay, this is actually an interesting trade. I like this, and I'm going to jump in this one as well. NZUSD, I'm going to take up. In fact, I'm going to take another one on NZUSD. Here we go. So I actually like this setup a lot. Now this trade's massively against the trend, NZUSD, but I like this setup. This is a very so we can see, let me just look at the bigger picture. Hold on, I'm getting confused now. Look, see, trend down, pull back, trend down, pull back, and it looks like we're going to now pull up again. Looks like we're going to do something like this and then do something like that. If you look at the RSI, look at the RSI, its momentum is slowing down on this. So I think we might get away with a quick 5-minute trade here. CAD JPY, yes we are good. CAD JPY, let me see what CAD JPY is saying. Okay, CAD JPY is going into the money as well. Okay, we are good. Right. Okay, nice. So we've got so we have got just have a look here. USD CAD as well is also dropping nicely, which is nice. What I'm actually doing, sorry if I'm not talking much, what I'm doing is I'm assessing all the currency pairs. You'll notice, for instance, look at Euro USD. When Euro USD goes down, okay, look, we've actually just double bottoms here. Look at this. I wouldn't take this trade because it's risky, but look at this support line here. Look at it, and then look at this momentum turning on these RSI. But yeah, when Euro USD goes down, look at Euro USD now. Look at it, Euro USD is going up. Watch USD Chef. USD Chef will be going down, which is USD Chef. Look, USD Chef goes down. Okay, so what I'm doing is I've got all my currency pairs loaded up and I'm assessing them and looking how each one reacts. Like NZUSD has just given me a sell signal now, so that means that CAD JPY must be slowing down now. This trade now will start slowing down and going against us, but we've got what we're going to get 4-0 really. Give me a nice £150 for the day. Interesting. Okay, right, so we have got 42 seconds to go. In fact, USD CAD I might get another signal on USD CAD. I'm going to watch USD CAD now and hopefully that gives me another signal. Look, you see what I mean now? Look, notice how CAD JPY is starting to go against us. So hopefully 13 seconds to go. Let's hope this is a winner. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice. So we've now got 2 trades left to go and there's no denying those. NZ was deep in the money. Nice, but look at the momentum slowing down. Let me just see what it's saying on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, massive bullish market here. I would say personally all 4 of the trades that I've took in today's trading session were extremely risky. Would not recommend doing it personally if you're a beginner, and this is why I've literally took 5-minute expiries in and out as quick as I can. But this is part of learning. Everybody over time will learn these things. When you're trading with the trend, you want to go for a longer expiry. When you've got a trade like NZUSD, like here, the idea is to just get in and out. We can see that it's a downtrend, so we don't want to be taking long expiries here. We literally just want to be in and out as quick as we can. So yeah, as you can see, both of those trades was a winner. Now hopefully I can get one more, which would be 5-0 on USD CAD. So this might give me a perfect double top. We'll see what happens now. If this price pulls back up and we get a double top, I am in for another trade. So what I'm going to do, everyone, is I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back in a couple of minutes. If I get another trade, I get another one. If I don't, I don't. So I shall pause the video and I'll be back. Hi everyone, right, so I've been here for another 15 minutes and I know I'm not going to get any more signals, so I'm going to call that a day. Thank you for watching. If you do have any questions, just drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. You're welcome to head over to the Facebook group where I share trades, results of the binary destroyer, so I'll pop a link for that in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah.